Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing deliberately. Cleanse your face and dry gently, then perform a 24-hour patch test on the jawline to spot irritation. Once done, mix a small amount of head and shoulders with equal water, about 1/2 teaspoon, to lower strength. Make sure to avoid eyes and open wounds. This reduces stinging and overdrying. You're doing this because the active antifungal ingredients can help flaking on the beard and cheeks, but only at a reduced, controlled concentration. You apply the diluted product using fingertips, targeting flaky, oily, or inflamed zones while keeping clear of eyelids and lips. Once applied, massage gently for 20 to 30 seconds to ensure even contact. Then let it sit for 1 to 2 minutes so the active ingredient can work. After the dwell time, rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water and pat dry with a clean towel. Make sure to follow with a light, non-comedogenic moisturizer to restore skin barrier balance. You finish by setting a follow-up routine. Use the treatment 2 to 3 times per week and monitor skin response. Make sure to reduce frequency if you notice dryness or irritation. Once treated, apply a fragrance-free moisturizer and sunscreen during daytime to protect and hydrate. If you experience severe redness, blistering, or persistent burning, stop immediately and seek dermatologist advice. This may indicate intolerance or allergic reaction, and if flakes return, consider alternating with a gentler cleanser as needed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.